everybody, me and Lloyd here today to give you a insight on who's been stealing all of our birdseed lately. So let's go check this out. Alright, the bird feeder's right around the corner, so let's investigate. Who is this? Mr. Possum. A little late for you to be up, isn't it? I'll let you go this time because you're one of my favorite buddies out here, but hey, don't just turn around. Yeah, you. Just stick to your own food, alright? No? Alright, you just do whatever you want. Mr. Possum? Hey, Mr. Possum, listen. What do you think you're doing? Yeah, I thought so. Alright. Guess we'll let you go. See you later. Well, I found his little hideout right here. Camping out here right under some wooden planks. What do you have to say for yourself, mister? Not gonna talk, eh? Whatever, it's your constitutional right to be silent, or, yeah. So yeah, I guess you can just chill out under there for a while. Are you willing to confess to your crimes? Are you? Playing possum, eh? Well, I can tell you this is not going to work out. You have to find your own source of food, and you have to find your own source of food away from my bird feeders. Listen up, you caught me in a good mood today. I like you. Better than them rascal raccoons or sneaky squirrels. I can live with you. I'm gonna let you off with a warning this time, mister. Just stay out of trouble, okay?